Hello there. I'm Rocky. I'm a good chef. Today, we're going to bake a cake, and I know the perfect recipe. This cake looks like Marshall's fire truck. We're going to bake a fire truck cake. First, heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, get your yellow cake mix. But first, we need to cut them. Scissors! Now let's put water, vegetable oil, and eggs in a bowl. Claw! Yuck! Sometimes this cooking class can be really wet and sticky. Now, let's put the ingredients together. Spoon. Yuck! So sticky. Now, let's put the cake. Now let's put it in a big rectangle pan. Now I bake it at 200 to 27 minutes. The cake's done. This is a part of the cake. Now we have to finish making parts of the fire truck cake. Ta-da! We did it! We made Marshall's fire truck cake. Thank you for helping me make the fire truck cake